Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the second Sudoku, a Sudoku with 4 stars, yes. In today's newspaper it's Monday, February the 8th, 2021, yes. Today I have not received my newspaper. Only the puzzle is available online, so I have downloaded this and printed on paper. This Sudoku will be number 2294, I believe. Let me check. 2294, is this correct? 9 3, yes, 2294. And let me count the printed digits. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24, correct. 24 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. Which number shall I pick? Let me see. Scan the puzzle. How about the 7 in the last column? 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. Okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see there's 6, no 6 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. 185. Okay. Alright. Let me see. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9. No 9 in those 2 boxes. Here 9. No 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And then I cannot continue with the 9. How about the number 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. Yeah. Okay, I cannot continue with the 5. Let me see which number I can pick. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 9, so the 9 goes there. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the middle row, the row between, only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 9. Alright. Okay. Next. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 4. We see there 4, no 4 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the middle row, the row between, only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 7 and 8. 7 and 8. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and 8 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this row. 7. Oh, wait. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, so the row between, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row, so the third row, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, here 7, no 7 there. Only place for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 7. Yeah. And now, the 3. 3 and 4. Interesting. How about Yeah. One, 2, 3. Yes. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those numbers are the 4 is missing, the 8 is missing, and the 6 is missing. We see here the 4 and the 8, so no 4 and the 8 in this box. The 4 and the 8 goes in those 2 boxes. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes here. 1 number left in this column for the number 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. How about 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Let me push this in the camera. Okay. So we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 4 in the last row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Yeah. And now, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 1. We see here 1, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here 1, no 1 in that box. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 6. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. I cannot fill this yet. 1 and 2. Need more numbers. 1 number left in the third column for the numbers 3. Yes, 3 is missing. 3 is missing. Okay, here we have a 3. 2 numbers left in this first column. 1, 2 is missing, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8. 2 and 8. We have an 8 there. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 6. Let me mark those 2 numbers, 4 and 6. Okay. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those numbers are the 2, the 6, and the 3. We see here 2 and a 6, so no 2 and a 6 in this box. The 2 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left should be the 3. So we have a 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, alright. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see there an 8, no 8 in these 3 boxes. There an 8, no 8 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 8, should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 7. No, 7 we have. 4 is missing. Yes, 4 is missing. So we have 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, no 4 in those 2 boxes. Here 4, no 4 in this box. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Now we have a 4 here, so this can't be 4 anymore. This should be the 4. And this should be a 6. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 are missing in the first row. 5 and the 6. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle, in the row below. So in the third row, only place for the 6 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 2. Then 2 numbers left in this third row for the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 1. So, 2 numbers left in the last row. 2 and the 1. 2 and the 1. Still cannot fill this yet. Nah. How about those two? 2 and the 6. 2 and the 6. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Now 2 numbers left in the last row. The 2 and the 1. We have a 2 here. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 1 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, the 1 and the 5. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 5 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Quicker than the previous Sudoku. So is this a 4-star Sudoku? I don't think so. But I like this one. Do you think so? Just thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later with the third Sudoku. A binary one. Yes. See you then. Bye bye for now.